By now, you know my living room is my most favorite room in the house, and it's because I have quite a few of my treasured pieces in here, and in this video I'm going to talk about one in particular, and that is an heirloom piece, which is the bar cabinet belonging to my grandmother. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you click that subscribe button and become part of the family. Decorating with antiques can be kind of difficult sometimes, but in this video I'm going to inspire you and give you an idea of why this cabinet is so special. When my grandmother passed, I asked my father for it because I just wanted something to remember her by. Now, it was painted and I had it professionally restored, and that was the best decision ever. And when he brought it back to me, it looked like this, and even the restorer was amazed with it. He offered to buy it, but of course it was not for sale. He had not seen a piece as this before and was very intrigued by it. But, you know, when you think of antiques and at the era in which they were bought, you figure, well, as I think about it, my grandmother, when she got it, I'm sure she was very proud of this piece and that, you know, she acquired it and took care of it. But what really astonished me was the secret compartment that was on top. So you see, when you lift the top up, this little bar area raises up, and inside are these cutouts for you to store your rock glasses and your shot glasses. Now, this has all the little details that you need to place your cups in there and keep them secure. And then the other part of the cabinet, the lid part, that is where you would have your serving station. And I'm just looking at how it was made and, you know, the quality craftsmanship behind this piece. Well thought out and well, you know, orchestrated. And you see it's more than enough room to have as a serving station. And underneath it is just an open cabinet where you can store your wines and your liquors or everything else that you need. So yes, I truly feel blessed to have this piece, and I am happy to have shared it with you. So if you come across a family heirloom, perhaps you too may want to keep it, restore it, or do whatever, but incorporate it into your decor. I don't know the complete story behind this particular piece of furniture, but I do want to believe that Mother Dear, who is my grandmother and what we all called her, is smiling, knowing that I do have her piece safe in my home, adding to the style and the decor that I chose around that piece and my sofa. So when someone says that piece is just old or old-fashioned, take a new look at it and how you can use it in your home. Create the home you love, because beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe. I'll see you again.